Let's activate the email recommendation skill to help agents generate and refine email responses based on conversation context. This skill can help your agents to draft emails quickly and stay focused. First, navigate to the Now Assist Admin console, select All. Then, select Now Assist Admin and then select Skills. Click on Customer Workflow and then select CSM. Now let's locate the email recommendation skill and select Activate Skill. In Choose Inputs, the data sources used to generate the email reply is listed. Email reply recommendations are generated from the short description, emails, additional comments, work notes, and activity fields. These settings are read-only. Select Save and Continue. From Define Availability, you can select Skill is always available to move forward without skill availability conditions. Or you can select Customize Skill Availability to open a condition builder, which can select the fields and values that determines whether someone can use this skill. Select Save and Continue. In Select Display, select In Product Desktop to display the email recommendation skill on forms and workspaces. Click the arrow button to add or remove the roles that will have access to the skill. Select Save and Continue. In Review and Activate, review your choices and select Activate to complete the email recommendation skill configuration. The email recommendation skill is now active in your customer service management environment. Select Return to CSM.